Out there causing a breaking situation in Minneapolis. We've been following this for the last couple hours here. Crews battling a 3-alarm house fire. Our photographer Willow is there on scene right now. This is near Grand Avenue South and Lake Street. Minneapolis Fire Department posted an update on X just a few minutes ago saying the wind out there, as you can imagine, is causing some problems. The roof has collapsed on the 2.5-story vacant home. Right now, fire crews are trying to protect neighboring homes. So these are new pictures of the scene. This is direct from MFD. You can see just how big that fire was. The flames just shooting into the sky there. The Metro bus has been called in to provide shelter for residents who were evacuated from the neighboring homes that those firefighters are trying to protect right now. Thankfully, no one was injured. We'll keep you updated on that battle going on in Minneapolis.